So once again welcome back, and here in this video I'm just going to explain you how to use break and continue in for loop. So in order to save up time, I have already created a file with the name of break and continue for loop, and here I have written the code here. So here I'm just going to explain. So for that I'm just going to write a line over here for. So here I create a variable, say x. To that I'm initializing equal to 0, and to this variable x I would like to say it should less than 10, and in the third I just have to increment this variable by 1, and here in the curly bracket I will write here. So this loop is to display the value from 0 to 9, that is less than 10, that is 0 to 9, total of 10 value. I just wanted to do one thing over here. I just wanted to put a break after 6. When I will get to 0, 1, 2, 3, 6. When I will reach at point 6, I would like to break the loop. So for this I will write a line: if variable x is equal to 6. So here in the body of if I will write a line, say break, and the semicolon here, and here I write the line to echo to display the result. Number is equal to, and here I have to give the reference of the variable x, and then I will use break to display the resulting new line. And here we go, save the changes, and here we got a file that is for loop, break and continue file loop, and break and continue for loop. Just click on this file and you see the result here. So as normal, this loop has to display the value from 0 to 9, but in case when we reach at the point x, when the value of x become equal to 6, here the loop break. So what it will do, it will break the loop at this point and nothing will done next to it. So this is how we got the value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and loop get break at when the value of x become equal to 6. So how to use continue in for loop, that we will do in the next lines. So for this I am going to make a line here, echo. This is to show break in for loop, and put the semicolon here to terminate the line. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy all this content from here to here using Ctrl+C, and here I go with the paste, and this time I am using here as continue. And how to use continue, here instead of break I will use continue, and let it to be 6, or okay, let it to be 6. Save your changes here, and here we go, refresh. Now look at this. This is to break the loop, got break at the line when the value of x become equal to 6, and here in the case of continue, what it has done, it has skipped the value 6. Now see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 is not there, and continue after 6 there, that is 7, 8 and 9. So this is how we can use break and continue in for loop. Okay, that's all for now. See you in the next video.